Let's have a go at this exam style question. The question says, the blood is being transfused into a vein in the patient's arm. Explain why it is transfused into a vein and not an artery. Now this is an application question. It's testing your knowledge and understanding of the differences between arteries and veins. So you might not have learnt about the reasons why blood is transfused into veins rather than arteries, but you need to draw on your existing knowledge and understanding of blood vessels to work out the reasons. Now let's identify the command word here. And I can see it is the word, just underline it, explain. Okay, so our answer needs to give reasons, and it might include words such as because or so. Now, other key words in the question are veins and arteries, so I'm going to underline those. Remember, arteries carry blood away from the heart at high pressure, and for this reason they have thicker walls. Veins, on the other hand, they carry blood away from the organs and back to the heart, and they have thinner walls. Veins are also found closer to the surface of the skin, and it's veins that we can usually see in the skin on our arms. So let's think about how these differences might be a reason to transfuse blood into veins. If we think about pressure, veins have lower pressure, and so it would be easier to transfuse blood into a vein than an artery because there'd be less risk of losing blood due to pressure. So I'm going to start my answer and I'm going to write veins carry blood at a lower pressure, and so blood can be transfused without being lost. You should have also learnt that veins have thinner walls, and so it would be actually easier to push a needle through the wall of a vein than an artery, which has a much thicker muscular wall. So let's add that part to our answer, and I'll put veins walls are thinner so easier to pierce with a needle. And finally, veins are found closer to the surface of the skin, so it would be easier for a nurse or a doctor to find a vein in your arm compared to an artery, which would be much further from the surface of the skin. So let's add that as our final point, and we'll write veins are closer to the skin, so easier to, just run out of space, I'll just put it down here, find. So this answer gives 3 different points, which would be the 3 marks.